How to connect Wi-Fi extender to router using WPS button. Step 1. Find the WPS button on your router and Wi-Fi extender. Step 2. Choose a power outlet that's close to your router. Step 3. Now plug in your Wi-Fi extender into the power outlet and turn it on. Wait for the power light to become stable. Step 4. Once your extender is ready, press the WPS button on your router. The WPS light on the router should start blinking, which means it's ready to connect. Step 5. Now quickly, within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your Wi-Fi extender. The WPS light on the extender will also start blinking. Step 6. Just wait a few moments. Once the lights on both the router and the extender stop blinking and turn solid, it means the connection is successful. Step 7. Once the connection is established, unplug your Wi-Fi extender and move it to a location where you need better Wi-Fi coverage. Just make sure it's within the range of your router signal. Step 8. Finally, check the Wi-Fi signal on your device to make sure everything is working properly. If the connection is strong, you're good to go. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.